Welcome to the class, students. This is Unit 21, second class, environmental degradation. In previous class, we studied about man-made different environmental problems. That means environmental degradation due to human activities. And today we will study about natural causes. Usually, natural causes means different types of disasters are occurred by those disasters. Environment is depleted, environment is degraded. There is problem in the environment due to natural causes. Two types of causes are there: natural and man-made. Man-made causes already started today. Natural causes. Natural disaster is the effect of a natural hazard. For example, flood, tornado, hurricane, volcanic eruption, earthquake, or landslide. These are few examples. In the context of Nepal, mostly flood, earthquake, and landslide. These are the main causes of environmental degradation in Nepal. Tornado is effective in California, America. Volcanic eruption is effective in Japan. Then hurricane is effective to India also, but in Nepal till now there is no such evidence of hurricane. Hurricane means stronger storm, flow of, that is hurricane. In Nepal, it was occurred in 2043. Mostly flood, landslide, and earthquake. These are main environmental problems in Nepal. 10 natural disasters in the world. These are the 12, not top. Okay, here is 12 disasters: landslide, soil erosion, fire, cyclone, flow of wind. Cyclone carries water of that is also natural disaster. Then earthquake, tornado and cyclone. Tornado also flow of wind. Tornado is circular in motion. Volcanic eruption, tsunami, tornado, tsunami and cyclone. These can see water. Then wildfire. Wildfire, drought means dryness. Then avalanche. These are 12 list of natural disasters in the world. Look here. What can you? These pictures are from Nepal. All pictures from Nepal. At first, flood. You can see the situation of flood in Nepal. This is the city area. It is from Kathmandu. And another look here. This is also flood. Houses are built at the side of the river. Flood is coming. Look here. Village is covered by yes. I think who is talking with parent? Maybe Priti Mandal. I guess Priti Mandal is talking. Okay. This is flood in Tarai. Another, look here, this is also flood in Tarai. What can you see from these pictures? What is flood? Streams, rivers, and sea flow at their own pace. Water flow with their own pace. They flow with their own will. Naturally, they flow from top level to low level. Then, when the water volume and the speed is increased in a river, then it causes flood. If the water amount is more and the speed of water becomes more, then that high volume of water flowing in a river is called flood. Then mostly in rainy season, streams of hill, streams means khahare, streams of hill are collected at one place and begin to flow in a greater speed. From the hilly regions, many streams collect water in the river. Then that river becomes, river collects a high volume of water. There will be more amount of water and it flows with high speed. Then this causes flood. Then what happens? In Tarai, that water is collected and it flows over the surface of the land, over the and it causes damage in villages. In this way, flood is occurred. Then it is caused by natural and influenced by human causes also. Mostly flood is produced by nature, but damage is caused due to human responses. By human activities, damage of flood is facing. Then during earthquake also, flood may develop. During earthquake, what happens? If the water in high dam is broken, then the water flows down. भूकम्पको बेलामा अग्लो पहाडको अग्लो ठाउँमा जम्मा गरिएको पानी जुन ड्याम भन्छौं हामी, त्यो ड्याम फुट्यो भने पनि त्यसले बाढी ल्याउँछ. सुनकोसीमा बाढी आएको थियो नि 3 वर्ष 4 वर्ष अगाडि. सिन्धुपाल्चोकको सुनकोसीमा माथि छोरोल्पा ताल फुटेर पानी आएको थियो सुनकोसीमा, जुन हामी कोदारी भन्छौं 12 विषयतिर, त्यो ठाउँमा ठुलो बाढी आएको थियो. That is due to bank dam is damaged. भूकम्प नआइकन नै dam फुटेको थियो. Then during earthquake, what happens? Probability of dam to be broken is more probable, and due to that also flood may come. In rainy season, continuous rain causes flood. 1 week, 10 days, it rains in rainy season, and more water will be collected in in river, and it causes flood. And this is natural cause of flood, heavy rain. Likewise, human activities also degrade the land. The degraded and loose land cannot absorb water. If the plants are cut down, then water becomes loose and it absorbs water, and soil becomes heavy and cannot withstand the weight of the soil. माटो चिसो भए पछाडि अग्लो ठाउँमा भएको माटो पानीले भिजेर चिसो हुन्छ, गरम हुन्छ अनि माथि अड्न सक्दैन. Then it flows down. Then what happens? It causes landslide also, and if water is blocking by the soil, then what happens? त्यो पानी बन्द गरेको माटो अथवा एउटा ढिस्को बग्यो भनेदेखि माथिबाट पानी ठुलो स्पिडले बग्छ, then it causes flood. Then people cultivate in steep field to increase their production. भिरालो जमिनमा मानिसले खेती गर्छन् अनि त्यो खेती गरेको ठाउँमा पानी हालिन्छ, सिंचाइ गरिन्छ अनि सुरुमा ल्यान्डस्लाइड हुन्छ अनि माथिबाट पानी सजिलै बगिरहन पाउँछ अनि त्यसले पनि फ्लड गराउनलाई सहयोग पुर्याउँछ. ग्राजिङ अल्सो विकन्स द फिल्ड. चरण क्षेत्र, गाई बस्तु चराउने भन्छौँ हामी, चराउँदाखेरि पनि हामीले नेचरलाई डिग्रेड गरिरहेका हुन्छौँ. चाहिने भन्दा बढी चराइरहने, बिरुवा नरोप्ने तर चराइरहने गर्ने हो भने त्यसले पनि ल्यान्ड विक गराउँछ. plants number will be less, therefore it helps to degrade the nature. Then construction of a road. At the side of the road, if we construct different bridges, different buildings, canals means that like that surung marga, then that also causes a flood and landslide also. Then these type of activities are human activities. By these also nature is degraded. Likewise, damage by flood is also caused by our these type of activities. हाम्रो यस्तो खालको क्रियाकलापले गर्दा बाढीबाट हुने क्षति हुन्छ जुन त्यो हामीले बढी भोग्नु पर्छ. रोडमा नदीमा केही कन्स्ट्रक्सन काम गर्दै गर्यो भनेदेखि पानी बग्न पाउँदैन, राम्रोसँग पानी जम्मा हुन्छ, त्यहाँ थुनिन्छ अनि पछि एक ताका त्यो फुट्छ, फुटेपछि बाढी आउँछ. त्यो कारणले पनि मानिसको कारणले गर्दा फ्लडको जुन समस्या हुन्छ त्यो हामीले बढी भोग्नु पर्छ. Look here, what can you see here? Bridge is being constructed and it is incomplete. Then what happens? Flood destroys the constructed part of the bridge and we cannot cross the river. This is also of Nepal. Look here. In Tarai, to go from one village to next village, the whole road is blocked by flood. And there is one temporary floating device is made. What is called? यो खालको बाँसको मुनि बाँस राखेर मुनि ड्रम राखेर माथि फ्ल्याट बनाएर यो नदी तर्नको लागि बनाउँछन् तराईतिर. यस्तोबाट रोड क्रस गरिरहनु पर्छ, हरेक वर्ष यस्तो सामना गर्नुपर्छ. It is from Sindhupal. Landslide. It is from Sindhupalcho. Chorolpa is erupted. माथिबाट छोरोल्पा फुटेर पानी आको हो, त्यसले ल्यान्डस्लाइड पनि भयो. Flood and landslide occur simultaneously, side by side. In one side there is flood, in another side landslide. Landslide र flood सँगसँगै नै भइरहन्छन् है. कहिले ल्यान्डस्लाइड मात्र हुने, कहिले फ्लड मात्र हुने, त्यस्तो चाहिँ धेरै कम हुन्छ. तर धेरै जसो समयमा ल्यान्डस्लाइड र फ्लड सँगै नै भइरहेको हुन्छ है. Look here. It is also flood. Yes, flood. Look at the wall. Wall of the house is nearly too deep. And in next side you can see house is going to be deep. This is also from Tarai. In Tarai, mostly this type of flood influence is occurred. Construction works in slopey area. Houses are being built at the same time. landslide also and flood also came there. You can see here the height of the ground. You can see height of the ground is very more. You can see it in this area. What is the height? And after flood, then height decrease. Look here, how deep is now. Then this is due to a flood, and in opposite side, due to flood, here is landslide. Okay, therefore landslide and flood comes side by side. This is the situation of flood in Kathmandu Valley. Situation of flood in Kathmandu Valley. I think it is from Balaju. It is from Balaju side. Then another, look here, flood. Torai Japa. Then by these pictures, what can you gauge the effects of flood?
It causes
yes,
natural environment.
Natural environment is damaged. Natural environment is damaged. It also ruins the habitat of human beings. Look here. Look here. Habitats is ruined. Houses are destroyed. Yes. You can see in the previous pictures. Look here. In these pictures, if this flood flow through the village, then these houses, habitats also will be destroyed. Then another, lives of people and animals are in danger. Some will be killed, some will be injured, and those injured people and injured cattle will be migrated to next new place. Then mainly these three types of effects are there in human habitat. Some will be killed, some will be injured by flood, some will be migrated to next new place. This is migration means not only human beings, other animals also move from one place to another to save their lives. Then cultivable land is covered and damaged by the flood. Flood damages our crops also, and that land also sweeps down. Then what happens? Due to flood, landslide occurs, and due to landslide, many human beings are again harmed. And this system of the road will be blocked by the landslide. Then canal also will be blocked, and sources of water also will be polluted.
Who is talking?
Kiran Rawal. Paras Rawal, I think.
No, I think Kshitij Chaudhary.
Kshitij Chaudhary, don't talk, okay, in class. It breaks land and destroys forest. Then damages habitat of aquatic animals also. Due to flood, aquatic animals also will be damaged. Okay, in this way, these are the effects of flood. Kshitij Chaudhary, don't talk, okay? Then look here. What is being here? What can you see in the picture?
Sir, sound आहे ना.
Yes. What can you see here? Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Farming is
Farmer is planting trees, planting plants. Yes. Another.
children
Students are,
are
yes,
going to
yes,
plant.
yes, plant trees. Students are planting, about to plant trees. These are, I think, palm tree or whatever. Yes, it seems like that. Anyway, that is plant. Students are in a program to plant trees. Look here. At the side of the river, there is a road. Road is damaged, and construction work of embankment is being done in the riverside by stones. Look here. Road is damaged by flood, and one man is getting trouble. His hand is at the head. He is in trouble. Look.
Road is being constructed.
No, this is just embankment. Embankment means bath. Field is going to be destroyed by flood, and to protect field at the side of the river there is wall of the stone is made, and that is called embankment. Okay, embankment. This is a protective measure. Protective measure to protect field by flood. These type of walls are made, and our fields will be protected. Then, preventive measures of flood. To prevent damage caused by flood, we cannot stop flood, but we can be safe from the flood. Preventive measures only. We cannot stop flood. Plant trees in open areas. In open areas, we should plant trees. Then what happens? It will stop landslide also, and even it floods heavy water in river. And if there is plant, if there are trees at the side of the river, then will not be disturbed by the flood. Then conserve forest. We should not destroy forest. We have to conserve forest. Forest, because forest lessens speed of water and helps to stop the flood. If there is forest and when water flows over the ground, mostly in Tarai region, then what happens? Due to trees, speed of water will be decreased, and less speed water cannot damage more. Okay, and flood occurs less if steep field and grazing areas are protected. Flood occurs less if steep field and grazing areas are protected. Grazing areas and steep field. Steep means biralo jamin. If they are protected by plant, then what happens? It will decrease flood, because water will flow slowly on the ground where there is plants. बिरुवा भएको जमिनबाट पानी स्पिडमा बग्न सक्दैन, बिस्तार बहन्छ, अनि यसले फ्लोड डेभलप गराउनमा सहयोग गर्दैन. फ्लोड कम बन्छ त्यसपछि. Then it will stop the damage of flood. Embankments should be made at the side of the river. Embankments. Look here. This is embankment. This wall of the stone is made here. This is called embankment. Embankments. Lastly, here is one word. E-M-B-A-N-K-M-E-N-T. Embankment. Okay.
And construction of strong dam.
Dam, yes. According to the place, we can make different type of structures. Now, second natural agent is landslide. landslide and flood is similar. Okay, look here in the picture, houses are damaged and a big area of land is swept down in the hill. You can see in the picture. Look here, houses are about to swept down by this landslide. One village is collapsed by landslide. One village is collapsed by landslide. Look here. This is from Sindhupalchok. This is dry landslide. Dry. पानी नपरेकै मौसममा माथिबाट पहिरो गएको थियो नि एकचोटि सिन्धुपाल्चोकमा त्यही ल्यान्डस्लाइड हो यो अर्थक्वेक पछाडी 75 को 72 को अर्थक्वेक भन्दा अलि पछाडी सिन्धुपाल्चोकमा सुक्खा पहिरो गएको थियो यही पहिरो हो यो यहाँ तिमीले देख्न सक्छ यहाँ एउटा गाउँ पनि सानो गाउँ छ यहाँ बीचमा हेर त दुई तीनवटा ल्यान्डस्लाइड भयो बीचमा 8-10 वटा घरहरु छ यहाँ है
Yes, sir.
Look here. House collapsed by landslide. Then, what is landslide? A landslide is movement.
Sudden movement.
Is
Sudden movement of a part of sloping land downward due to effect of gravity.
Yes, due to effect of gravity. Yes, all the materials wants to go down. Yes, that is called effect of gravity. Yes, then the largest landslide. Look here in the history, largest landslide was recorded in Mount Saint Helens. It was 3 kilometers of rock moved down. 3 kilometers big part was moved down. It was the biggest recorded landslide in the. It was Mount Saint Helens. One whole mountain was swept down. It is hilly area. The process of separating and sliding some part of rock of hill or steep field downward is called landslide. Causes are when there is heavy rain for a long time, the water is absorbed and the land becomes weak. Land absorbs water and it becomes heavy and it cannot stay there and it moves down and it causes landslide. In such condition, weak land or rock slides down. In this way, landslides occurs. It is in the context of Nepal. Landslides occurs due to natural also and human causes also. Mostly natural and by human activities it is supported. Landslides occurs due to heavy rain, that is natural, and land becomes weak due to earthquake and landslide occurs. It is also natural. Landslide is also caused by steep and weak formation of land. Steep and weak formation of land. This is also natural. And water from rain, streams and melting ice that causes landslide. This is also land and it causes flood also. Melting of ice, melting of glaciers. Glaciers means big part of ice. That causes flood also. And it makes, these activities makes the land loose and causes fall of land mound. That is landslide. Look here in red lines here is written flood and landslide are related to each other. Okay. Flood र landslide उस्ता उस्तै हुन्छन् सँगसँगै हुन्छन् एकले अर्कोलाई सपोर्ट गरिरहेको हुन्छ त्यसै कारणले कजेजहरुमा पनि फ्लोड र ल्यान्डस्लाइडको धेरै मिल्छन् इफेक्टहरु पनि धेरै मिल्छन् र हामीले यसलाई जोगाउने तरिकाहरु पनि एउटै हो ल्यान्डस्लाइड जोगाउन प्रयास गर्यो भनेदेखि फ्लोड पनि धेरै कन्ट्रोल हुन्छ अनि फ्लोडको ड्यामेज कन्ट्रोल गर्नलाई हामीले प्रयास गर्यौं भनेदेखि ल्यान्डस्लाइड पनि धेरै हदसम्म जोगिन्छ because these are running side by side. Causes of landslide by human activities. People destroy forest. People use grazing area for cultivation. चरण क्षेत्र हुन्छ जुन चौर हुन्छ जमिनमा खेतीको लागि अलिअलि भएका बिरुवाहरू हामीले मासिदिन्छौं अनि त्यही ठाउँमा यदि नजिकै नदी छ भने त्यो ठाउँबाट पानी बहन भ्याए भने त्यहाँ भत्किन्छ त्यो ल्यान्डस्लाइड भयो अघि देखाएको थियो नि त्यस्तो जस्तो अघि देखाएकोमा एकजना मान्छे उभिरहेको थियो यहाँ हेर यो यसमा हेर त यो खालको हुन्छ सँगैको चौर भएको ठाउँमा खेती गर्नको लागि मानिसले बिगारिदिए अनि पानी आएर यो भत्काइदियो यो ल्यान्डस्लाइड भयो अनि आफ्नो खेत बिग्रियो यसरी मानिसको
गाईहरू चराउनलाई
हो दे अल्सो कल्टिभेट इन स्टीप फिल्ड भिरालो जमिनमा रुख नलगाएर मकै लगाउने गर्यो भनेदेखि कमजोर बिरुवा लगायो भनेदेखि त्यो ल्यान्डस्लाइड हुने सम्भावना बेसी हुन्छ जति धेरै भिरालो हुन्छ त्यति धेरै रुख लगाउनु पर्छ अनि भिरालो कम हुँदै गयो भनेदेखि अनि बिरुवाको सानो सानो साइजको बिरुवा लगाए पनि धेरै ठाडो भिरालो छ भने रुख लगाउनु पर्छ अरु लगाउनु हुँदैन due to this the land becomes loose and weak and natural condition of land is ruined due to the construction of road canal bridge etc when rain falls on such type of land it becomes weaker and landslide occurs in this way these are causes of landslide rejoin okay okay students we were discussing about effects of landslide destroys everything and anything that comes in their path whatever comes in their path landslide damages in the picture you can see one car is hit by landslide one car is damaged yes roads railway lines in India lines of communication that means wires settlement river flows damming agricultural production is damaged land area water availability by landslide what happens water availability will be less water becomes impure dirty so water also will be collapsed quantity of water will be less flora and fauna this flora and fauna means flora means plant part and fauna means animal part if big landslide occurs in the jungle then what happens in the jungle from the jungle different plants are also swiped down and animals also will be swiped down that is called flora flora means plants part fauna means animal parts then fatalities depends on the place and time of occurrence fatalities means danger the dangers depends on the place and according to the time if landslide occurs at night then all the people will be inside house then if the house is collapsed by land fatality rate will be more people will be killed that is it is due to time and if landslide is occurred in village then houses will be down then also people will be killed if the landslide occurs in jungle animals will be killed but people will be killed less then by this situation different places different time rate of people is different. Estimated casualties per year worldwide is 600 to 100 person by landslide. Yearly 600 1,000 persons. Estimated casualties per year by landslide only. Okay, but sometimes whatever it may be more than 1,000. Okay, look here. What can you see in the picture?
Cars.
Yes, cars were parking. At the same time, what happened? From the top side, landslide occurred, and cars are damaged. Yes, in parking. What can you see here? Look here, landslide. From the landslide, houses are about to collapse. Roads are blocked. You can see here, road is blocked here. By landslide, road is blocked. Previously, there was road. From here, look here. Here is road. This road is blocked by landslide. Yes. Road is blocked. Yes. Road is blocked by landslide. Another effect of landslide. Look here. Big area of land is swiping down. हेर्दाखेरि यो यत्रो ठुलो जमिन तल जाने खालको छ जस्तो लाग्छ त धेरै गहिरो पनि छैन धेरै भिरालो पनि छैन छ त धेरै ठाडो भिरालो छैन यो किन भयो भन्दाखेरि अघि हामीले भनेको थियौं नि when it rains land absorbs water and it becomes heavy. When this heavy soil cannot stay there, it will swipe down. This part was flat land. When it rained, water is collected, water is absorbed by the land, and this part became very loose, and this loose soil could not hold the whole land, and land swiped down. This is also one effect of landslide. Whole village will be collapsed. Here. This is terrace farming. भनेको थियो नि हामीले जति भिरालो हुन्छ भिरालोको अनुपातमा बिरुवा बलियो बिरुवा लगाउनु पर्छ भनेर उता यहाँबाट पारी तिमीले रुखहरू जंगल देख्छौ हो जंगल देखिरहेछ नि देखिरहेछ भने त्यो जंगल एरियामा किन रुख ठुलो लगाइयो भन्दा यो धेरै भिरालो छ यहाँ धेरै भिरालो छ त्यहाँ रुख लगाउनु पर्छ यो पार्टमा पनि अलि धेरै भिरालो छ रुख लगाइएको छ अनि यो एरियामा पनि धेरै ठाडो छ अनि यो एरियामा चाहिँ अलि कम छ भिरालो त्यसले गर्दा रुख भन्दा अलि सानो लगाए पनि हुन्छ हामी किसान भएको हुनाले उत्पादन गर्न मिल्ने जति गर्नुपर्छ तर तरिका पुराएर this type of farming is called terrace farming. This type of farming is called terrace farming. Terrace farming means making land step like a ladder, step down. Then in this area we can plant different crops, and this landslide will be protected. This process should be done in our crop. This is preventive measure. Look here, terrace farming, big area terrace farming. It is also from Nepal. Look here, there is rice plant is cropped here. Paddy. This is paddy. Land is step. 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4, like this step. This type of farming is called terrace farming. By this terrace farming, we can prevent landslide. Look here, more slopy area. More slopy area. If the land is very slopy, many steps are made. Plant crops. To plant crops, many steps are made here. You can see here. This way, we can plant crops. Jungle, especially trees. We should protect trees to prevent landslide. We should not give jungle fire. In the jungle, mostly people burn that dried part of the trees, and in some places what happens, they do these activities by their will. They destroy the jungle and cut the timber and use that timber for their benefit. This also should be protected. Look here. In slopy land, one man is going to climb up. There was to go to the village. It was damaged. This is caused by landslide. There is no plant. Therefore, less plants are here. Therefore, landslide occurs. Therefore, by these pictures, we can conclude that different preventive measures of landslide are there. Human have the important role to present, to preserve, okay, preserve, not present, to, yes, human have important role to prevent landslide. Yes, present means nowadays. Then we should not damage the weaker part of land. In weaker part of land, we should plant trees. Plantation should be done. We should not destroy the forest. We should plant trees where the trees have been cut down. रुख काटेको ठाउँमा अर्को रुख लगाउनु पर्छ भनेको. Steep fields should not be cultivated. भिरालो जमिनमा त्यतिकै खेती गर्नु हुँदैन. We should do step farming, that is terrace farming. Terrace means TERRACE, terrace. This is terrace farming. TERRACE, terrace farming. Yes, terrace farming should be done. Plantations should be done in such places to make them green. Every open place must be green. We should improve the condition of land by growing plants where construction works have been done. It lessens means decrease the speed of landslide. घुमायो फिरायो ल्यान्डस्लाइड रोक्नको लागि बिरुवाकै कुरो आउँछ हैन त. बिरुवै लगाउने भन्छ. जुनसुकै सेन्टेन्समा बिरुवा जोडिएको छ. Damage, plantation should be done. We should not destroy the jungle. Plant के कुरो आयो. We should plant trees where trees have been cut down. Plant के कुरो आयो. Steep field should not be cultivated. Terrace farming should be done there.
We can overgrazing and deforestation.
Yes. घुमाया फिरा जसरी पनि प्लान्टकै कुरो आउँछ हैन त. भने जति धेरै प्लान्ट लगाउन सकियो त्यति धेरै हामी ल्यान्डस्लाइडबाट जोगिन सक्छौं. त्यसैले मेन फोकस भनेको प्लान्टकै कुरो आउँछ. प्लान्टलाई इम्प्रुभ गराउने, जंगललाई जोगाउने, खाली जमिनमा बिरुवा लगाउने. जुन खालको बिरालो छ, जस्तो खालको बिरालो छ, बिरालोको तुलनामा बिरुवा लगाउनु पर्छ. धेरै ठाडो बिरालोमा धेरै बलियो बिरुवा लगाउनु पर्छ. कम बिरालोमा त्यो भन्दा अलि कम बलियो भए पनि हुन्छ बिरुवा. अनि धेरै सम्म छ भने हामीले त्यहाँ भेजिटेबल्स लगाउन सक्छौं. ल्यान्डस्लाइड हुन सक्दैन. Okay, in this way, up to here we studied about landslide. Then I think our chapter is finished. I think so. soil erosion, and fire is left. Okay. So next class we'll study about soil erosion and fire. Soil erosion is related to landslide and फ्लोड ल्यान्डस्लाइड र फ्लोड कै कारणले सोइल इरोजन भइरहेको हुन्छ त्यो धेरै छुट्टै नपढे पनि हुन्थ्यो तर हामी अर्को दिनमा पढ्नेछौँ है
सर अनि म्याथको क्लास
म्याथको आफ्टर दिस साइन्स क्लास अफ क्लास 8 then when class 8 class will be finished then I'll send you link. Okay
sir.
Okay, then thank you class.
Thank you, sir.